Do you like blueberries? If you don't like this berry's sour flavor, its amazing benefits might change your mind. Blueberries contain a series of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for our bodies. An important aspect of this fruit is its intense color, which could be blue, brown, or a deep purple color, almost black. These colors come from the anthocyanins, the component that gives blueberries their health benefits. Here are some of this fruit's health benefits. Blueberries fight urinary tract infections. Recent studies have shown that blueberries have properties that help prevent and treat urinary tract infections. They reduce cholesterol levels. New studies performed at accredited laboratories in the United States have revealed that blueberries can lower bad cholesterol levels, and in many cases, are even more effective than medications prescribed by doctors. Since our cholesterol plays a big part in the development of heart diseases, blueberries are great for our hearts. They fight cancer. Our DNA is constantly being exposed to the day-to-day oxidative stress caused by free radicals. The factors that contribute to our oxidation levels are our diets and lifestyles. Countless studies have shown that blueberries, since they're rich in antioxidants and other anti-cancerous properties, are great at preventing and fighting breast, colon, lung, esophagus, skin and intestine cancer. They improve digestion since they are rich in fiber. Blueberries are great for your digestion and prevent problems such as constipation. Furthermore, the vitamins, minerals and acids present in the berries stimulate the gastric fluids, improving your digestion. They improve memory and coordination normally. Blueberries' antioxidants improve memory, coordination and prevent nervous system diseases. Their nutrients, vitamins and minerals also protect your brain cells and help restore your central nervous system. Studies have proven that this fruit can prevent Alzheimer's and combat memory loss, and the loss of cognitive abilities linked to age. They care for your vision. Several studies performed in Europe have documented that blueberries have very high concentrations of vegetable compounds that improve night vision and reduce tired eyesight. Furthermore, this fruit can help prevent eye problems, such as macular degeneration, cataracts, nearsightedness, farsightedness, dry eyes, and retinal infections. They improve your immunity. Studies have shown that resveratrol, found in blueberries and grapes, is able to improve your immune system. Furthermore, blueberries are rich in vitamin C, which promotes and stimulates several of our immune system's functions. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.